Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Today I'm making some chunky mince with potatoes, and then I'm going to bake it in the roti dough in my oven, and that's going to be very delicious. So stay with me and let's see how it goes. Here is the mince cooking. You can see I'm trying to keep it chunky so it will be nice big pieces in the bites. And after a little while I'm adding some potatoes to it, and in the mince I have the onions, ginger and green peppers with some salt, chili powder and black pepper powder, and I'm trying to brown it in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here the potatoes are added and I'm going to let them get soft, let them cook with the mince. Meanwhile, I have my dough ready. This is 3 cups of all-purpose and 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt. You can always add more. So this is what I'm going to make the shell for the mince. So yeah, keema is ready. We will be filling it with the keema, and we will need some mozzarella cheese and some fresh dhanya and the keema. I will put it in the dough. All the keema is almost ready. So our keema is ready right here. We are going to let the keema cool down a little bit before we start filling it in the dough, and I'm going to preheat the oven now. Since my family likes food little hot, so I added extra chili pepper, chili hot oil, black pepper and some cumin and a little bit more salt. I'm going to mix it everything together and then going to let it cool down. If it's not hot, they will not eat. So, but always adjust the heat level according to your own taste. So this way you can follow the basic recipe and you will be fine. Just adjust the heat level to your own taste buds. Okay, while the oven is getting heated up and the keema is cooling down, I'm going to make 2 big size rotis, one a little smaller and one a little larger. The larger one will go in the bottom. One for the top, and I'll make one for the bottom. Let's fill up our roti dough. Here it is. Add some mince, keema, aalu keema if you want to call it, but okay. Add some cheese, add some dhanya, cover it with a smaller one, and then let's make the side. Okay, I hope I'm able to lift it. Just seal the sides, and there you go. I'll put it in the tray like that, and it goes in the oven. I'll be making it in the oven, and when it comes out I'll let you see it. Making another one. The top one has to be slightly smaller than the bottom one because we have to fold the bottom and the top is the cover. To lock it, you have to do the fold and twist, fold and twist, fold and twist. just like that. Fold and twist, fold and twist. This one is done too, ready to go in the oven. बिस्मिल्लाह, ये देखिए ये पराठे कीमे आलू के पराठे बनके तैयार हो गए हैं. These are my baked mince and potato parathas. There's only oil in them is the one that was in the dough. No oil added. All I did was make the dough, fill it up, and just bake it in the oven. So if you're not too comfortable with the greasy parathas, you can always use this method. Okay, and let me show you how it looks from inside. You can see ooey gooey cheese and potatoes and mince. It smells so good and it looks so good. I'm about to start eating. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you soon with another idea. I hope you like my cooking. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.